Looking for easy ways to live healthier? Let's dive into the world of healthy hacks together. Our lives are filled with opportunities to make small yet significant changes that can lead to a healthier lifestyle. This video is your treasure trove of practical, easy-to-follow tips that will help you navigate the path to wellness. We'll cover everything from nutritious eating and effective exercises to achieving mental tranquility and quality sleep. So, are you ready to transform your life? Stay tuned for some life-changing healthy hacks. Firstly, let's dive into some healthy eating hacks. Picture this. You're standing in your kitchen hungry but unsure of what to eat. We've all been there, right? But what if I told you there are simple strategies to ensure that you always have something healthy and delicious on hand? Well, that's where meal planning comes in. By setting aside a little time each week to plan your meals, you can ensure that you're getting the right nutrients, saving money, reducing food waste, and most importantly, taking the stress out of deciding what to eat. You can even make it a fun family activity, involving everyone in the planning and preparation process. Now let's talk about portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. A simple trick is to use smaller plates and bowls, which can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. And remember, it's okay to leave food on your plate. Your body knows when it's full, so make sure you're listening to it. Next up, fruits and vegetables. These are nature's multivitamins, packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function at its best. Try to incorporate a variety of colors in your diet, as different color fruits and vegetables provide different types of nutrients. And the best part? They're delicious. So whether it's a smoothie, a salad, or a side dish, make sure that fruits and vegetables are a part of your meal. And let's not forget about hydration. It's easy to overlook, but staying hydrated is crucial to your health. Water helps to regulate your body temperature, keep your skin glowing, and even boost your mood. So, make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Remember, a healthy outside starts from the inside. These hacks aren't just about looking good, they're about feeling good. So the next time you're standing in your kitchen, remember these tips. Healthy eating isn't about restriction, it's about creating habits that nourish your body and mind. Moving on, how about some exercise hacks? Let's dive into some clever ways to weave exercise into your daily routine. We all know exercise is essential, but sometimes it can seem like a chore. Here's how to make it a seamless part of your lifestyle. First up, consider the stairs as your new best friend. Instead of taking the elevator, make the climb. It's easy, accessible, and it's a fantastic way to get your heart rate up. If you're working on a high floor, try getting off a couple of floors early and taking the stairs for the rest. Next, let's talk about TV time. Commercial breaks offer a golden opportunity for quick, intense workouts. Try doing jumping jacks, push-ups, or squats. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish in just a couple of minutes. Plus, it's a great way to stay active even when you're indulging in your favorite shows. And speaking of indulging, why not turn social events into exercise opportunities? Instead of meeting friends for coffee, suggest a walk in the park, a bike ride, or even a dance class. It's all about making exercise fun and sociable. Now let's discuss the power of daily physical activity. It's not just about the gym or the yoga studio. Simple activities like walking the dog, gardening, or even cleaning the house can contribute to your fitness goals. The key is to stay active and keep moving. But what if you're stuck at a desk all day? No problem. There are plenty of exercises you can do right at your workstation. Try chair squats, desk push-ups, or seated leg raises. They may seem small, but every bit counts. And remember, exercise is not just about losing weight or building muscles. It's about overall wellness. It boosts your energy levels, improves your mood, and reduces stress. It's a powerful tool for a healthier, happier life. So there you have it. Some simple yet effective exercise hacks to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but about making small steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and your mood. Now, let's tackle some mental well-being hacks. Mental health is a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of a healthy lifestyle. It's the invisible strength that keeps us resilient, adaptable, and optimistic. That's why it's so important to nurture our minds, just as we do our bodies. One way to promote mental well-being is through self-care. This isn't just about spa days and bubble baths, although they're great too. It's about carving out time, even a few minutes each day, to do something that brings you joy and relaxation. This could be reading a book, brewing a cup of your favorite tea, or even just sitting quietly in a peaceful corner of your home. Next, let's talk about mindfulness. This is the practice of being fully present in the moment, of focusing your mind on what you're experiencing right now, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. It's like a mental reset button, helping to clear away stress and anxiety. You can practice mindfulness anywhere, anytime. You could try it while brushing your teeth, eating your breakfast, or walking in the park. Just focus your attention on the sensations you're experiencing right now. The taste of your food, the feeling of your feet on the ground, the sound of the birds in the trees. Lastly, maintaining a positive attitude is key. This doesn't mean ignoring the negative or pretending that everything is perfect. Rather, it's about choosing to focus on the good in your life, to find the silver lining in every cloud. It's about cultivating gratitude, celebrating your achievements, and being kind to yourself. Remember, it's okay to have a bad day. What matters is that you don't let it define you. So keep these mental well-being hacks in mind. Take time for self-care, practice mindfulness, and maintain a positive attitude. It might not always be easy, but it's worth it. Because mental health is just as important as physical health. They're two sides of the same coin, and you need both to truly thrive. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Let's not forget about the importance of sleep. It's the unseen hero of health, often overlooked yet vital for our well-being. It's our body's natural way to rejuvenate and repair. But how can we ensure that we're getting the best quality of sleep? First, let's talk about consistency. Our bodies thrive on routine. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, waking up and going to bed at the same time every day, trains our body's internal clock to expect sleep at certain times. This routine can lead to more restful and effective sleep. Next, consider your environment. Create a sleep sanctuary that is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine if needed. Your bed should be comfortable and inviting, a place where your body knows it's time to rest. Avoiding certain substances can also improve your sleep quality. Caffeine found in coffee, certain teas, and chocolate can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. It's best to avoid these close to bedtime. Likewise, while alcohol might make you feel sleepy, it actually disrupts your sleep cycle, preventing you from reaching the deep stages of sleep necessary for true rest. And then there's technology. Those smartphones and tablets that are so integral to our daily lives emit blue light, which can trick our brains into thinking it's still daytime, disrupting our sleep. So make a habit of turning off electronic devices at least an hour before bed. Lastly, consider incorporating relaxation techniques into your bedtime routine. This could be gentle yoga, deep breathing, or even reading a book. These activities can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Remember, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's as important to our health as eating a balanced diet and getting regular exercise. And just like those, it requires a bit of planning and discipline to get it right. But the rewards are worth it. Better sleep leads to better health, better mood, and a better life. Sleep is the golden chain that ties health and our bodies together. And there you have it, easy hacks to lead a healthier lifestyle. We've journeyed through a myriad of simple yet effective strategies that can make a huge difference in our daily lives. From the realm of eating, we've seen how a balanced diet can be both delicious and nourishing. It's not about deprivation, but rather about making smart, enjoyable choices. Moving on to exercise, we've explored how regular movement is not only beneficial for our physical health, but also for our energy levels and mood. There's no need to run a marathon every day. Just find activities that make you feel good and keep you active. In the sphere of mental well-being, we've underscored the importance of taking care of our minds as much as our bodies. Whether it's through mindfulness, gratitude, or simply taking a moment to breathe, nurturing our mental health is a key part of overall wellness. Lastly, we delved into the world of sleep, reminding ourselves of the vital role it plays in our health. Good sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, and there are many hacks to help us get those much-needed Z's. Now, the ball is in your court. Start implementing these hacks in your daily lives. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about effort. And when you implement that effort into your life, every single day, that's where transformation happens. That's how change occurs. Keep going. Remember why you started. If you've enjoyed these health hacks and are hungry for more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on Hesham's channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to receive regular updates, gaining access to an even wider array of health tips and wellness advice. You'll become part of a community that's committed to leading healthier, happier lives. So don't keep these healthy hacks to yourself, spread the word. Share this channel with your friends, family, and anyone else who might benefit from these life-enhancing tips. Remember, health is wealth, and knowledge is power. So let's empower each other to make healthier choices, one hack at a time. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.